Hello, I'm Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the Baldur's Gate 3 error code 117. The error reads, "Save game load failed. Contact Larian support if this keeps happening." As per our research, the error mainly comes when players try to load the game save. Also, many players have shared that they started to have this error after the recent patch. If you are using mods or your game save contains mods, then probably the error is coming because of any of your mods. Before trying anything, we first suggest you restart your gaming device and then check if you need to update the game. If you see any pending updates for the game, then install the pending update and check for the error. If there are no pending updates for the game, then most probably the error has been caused by any of the mods. We suggest you remove the mods once at a time, and each time check for the error. Repeat this till you find the mod that is causing the error. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.